So about 6 months ago, I did a video where I said I got a job. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here or here, I'm not too sure. It's quite funny, you should check it out. So about that job, I got fired. And it wasn't much of a firing as it was, as one of my coworkers put it, a slaughtering. Because it went down something like this. Okay people, there's no easy way to say this, but the company is shutting down and moving to the other side of the country. When? Today. So get your stuff and get out. Alright, the last check will be in the mail. Chop chop. Hurry up, get your stuff and get out. Hey, leave the computer alone, get your stuff and get out. And look, I get it. It was a business move. They found a better place. God go with them. I understand, you know. But it kind of goes to show you that you don't want to overinvest on your job, not your career, your job, because at any moment they can cut you off without even notice. Alright? But I'm nothing but thankful because I got camera out of it, I got equipment, and it's all good. Other than that, I'm just back to being broke. And being broke, one of the first things that come to your mind is all the money you wasted while you had money. Stuff like this. Give me that. And that. I don't even sure what this do, but I want it. Look like I might need it in the future. And give me that one there too. What that do? Nope, I want that. On.
Boy, Marlon, 30 minutes popcorn light on the same. Man, look good, you know?
Yo, call the vet, tell him some Marlon popcorn and come claim schedule. Money's not an object. Popcorn, don't die. Alright, Daddy, go take care of you. Yo, go to the shop and buy me a soda. And buy something for yourself and your friends, them, you know?
Yeah, but man, I feel that for the soda.
Don't worry about that. That's what I'm tip my friends, them, you know?
Yes,
alright?
Alright.
Take care of yourself. Drink something for me.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Yes, man.
And now, I just have to curb my spending habit just a little bit. Just a little bit. Delete. Delete, delete, delete. I don't want nothing anymore. Alright? Hey, do we still need the internet? Because we can still pick up Wi-Fi from the neighbor them, right? Alright, so I'm gonna cancel the internet. We don't have no internet no more. Alright. Oh, I'm gone.
Boy, man, 5 days popcorn light on the same. I look too well, you know? What you want to do?
So give him one more day. If he not get better, we'll put him out in misery and bury him in our backyard.
True. I'm sure for you know.
Not the knife.
Alright.
Got a shop. Buy a pound of flour and a tin of mackerel. Listen, don't make a dollar missing. Because if a dollar missing, you are going missing. And you know Jamaica this can easily happen.
Man, you hurt me no more.
Alright? Bring back my change. So yeah, I guess that's it. I guess until I get the next job, it's back to saving the environment. Yeah. Alright, so that's it. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Focus out. No bathing for me.